Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change Temu account's name on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course I'm going to open my Temu application. And now if you're going to change your Temu names here, you just have to go to this Me options and now go ahead to your profile at the top left like this. And after, in this page, go ahead to your profile again, tap on it. This will be look like this. This is my name for my Temu account, yeah guys, just tap on it. And if you want to change it, you just have to remove it first and now change it to the new one. I'm gonna create it first for my new name. Now tap on this save button at the bottom. And as you can see, for my Temu names is already changed, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.